This video will demonstrate how to find an article in GALE database from the citation, from the actual article. So here I am in my drive, and when you send an article from GALE to Google Drive, it creates its own file over here. So I know that the article that I want to look at, I got from GALE in Context Canada. So I'm going to click there. And here's my article, Africville. So I click on the article, and because I saved it with Google Docs, I have everything here. But I might want to go back into GALE to continue my search from this point. So GALE's really great. I can use any of the title information, or I can, just go ahead and copy, if it will let me, copy the link, open up a new browser, right click and paste and go. And it's prompting me for my password, which you can get from your teacher. I'm going to sign in. And there's my article right there, and I can continue exploring from these related subjects and the options on the side or at the bottom. Another way to access your item, if you've saved the citation through NoodleTools, you can go ahead and open up your NoodleTools, and here I am with my different projects. I've saved it in Canadian history, so I'm going to click on that to make sure it's the one I'm looking at. I can go to sources, or I can go to note cards where I have it sort of organized. I've taken the time to organize that. And I know that in special topics, Black history is 11B. I can expand that and see my different articles. Double clicking, it doesn't want to go. There we go. Here's my note card about this article, and here's the source citation. And I believe, I can look at it. I can see all the information. See, even I mess up. So I'm actually going to go back to my sources. I'm certain there's a way through there that I can look at it. I know it's the first one here, and NoodleTools offers this great option here, View Live Web Page. And I just click it, and I'm back here in GALE in Context Canada, and I can access my article. All right. Good luck using NoodleTools, Google Drive, and GALE in Context.